Hi everyone, it's Chris with Absolute Cleaning and Restoration, located here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Wanted to talk to you about fireplace chimney cleaning today. I just got off the phone with a customer and he said it's been 4 years since he's had his chimney cleaning done by a professional. He's been using the creosote logs, and this season he just fired his fireplace up. The chimney caught on fire, had flames boiling out of the top of it. Thankfully he was able to extinguish it before the house caught on fire. So during your wood burning process in your fireplace season, there's a chemical release and it causes a substance called creosote, and that is extremely flammable. So you need to have your chimneys cleaned annually. We can come out and clean those professionally. We can clean the full chimney plus the fireplace area and make sure all of those dangerous deposits of creosote are removed. So call us 662-760-4348. Let us give you a quote so that you can experience that.